In 1983, Barrier Systems founder John Duckett contacted the Golden Gate Bridge District with a proposal for a movable median barrier system that could reconfigure the bridge lanes while providing concrete barrier protection between opposing traffic lanes. The elements of the system included a 24-inch wide barrier that could be lifted and repositioned by a machine. While interested in the technology, the Bridge District deemed that the barrier was simply too wide for the bridge. A more modern barrier design succeeded in meeting all of the district's criteria. A new steel-shelled barrier with a 12-inch wide body and a 24-inch wide drivable foot plate was designed. By now, Barrier Systems was a part of Lindsay Transportation Solutions. When the Golden Gate Bridge agreed to install the system, the steel shells were manufactured in Lindsay, Nebraska. The steel plates were cut and welded using precision machining and manufacturing techniques, and then galvanized to protect them from a lifetime of exposure to the elements. The barriers were then shipped to California, where they were filled with concrete to add the necessary weight to become crash-worthy barrier wall segments. The barriers were not the only part of the movable system that benefited from the passing of time. The barrier transfer machines were now robust vehicles with a 20-year expected service life. Designed and manufactured in Rio Vista, California, both custom machines were meticulously assembled and rigorously tested to ensure that they would stand up to the task of moving a 1 3/4 mile barrier wall multiple times a day for years to come. 32 years after the first conceptual proposal, the Golden Gate Bridge was ready for the new barrier. In a historic 54-hour closure, the barrier was deployed on the bridge and the system was tested and deemed ready for traffic. In 2015 and 2016, there were no crossover accidents on the Golden Gate Bridge. While the bridge has the narrowest lanes of any movable barrier managed lanes facility, the barrier has provided drivers with a greater level of confidence, and the lanes next to the barrier have seen a significant increase in use. The barrier has been hit several times with at least one serious impact, a fully loaded semi-truck, that would have led to a severe crossover accident if there had been no median barrier.